So hello my dear aspirants, I hope all of you are doing fine, right? Staying motivated and preparing well for your upcoming exams. So I've already made a video where I gave the exam analysis, a brief analysis about the exam, about the level of the exam. Here in this particular video, I'm talking about a short analysis about the score. What is the safe score and what can be the cutoff, right? So as we see that, there are two papers. Each paper is of 100 marks, okay? There's a negative mark as well, that is minus 0.25, right? So first paper is your general studies and second paper is your engineering core subject based, right? Achha, and this was the exam for APSC assistant engineer, water resource department. Okay. Okay. So coming back to the paper one, that is general studies. So I have my students who have appeared for this exam. They have given me the feedback that sir, the question level was easy to moderate, right? So we can say that it was not too easy, not too tough. It was in at the middle, that is moderate, right? Similarly for the core engineering branch also, it was moderate level question. Okay, few questions it took them time, right? It was a bit conceptual, but maximum question they could solve, they said, right? So as per my review, right, and I've gone through the questions of reasoning and maths as well. Okay, I have the paper with me, right? I have seen it myself, so I can say that it was quite of easy level, okay, moderate level. So as candidates who have prepared well, he can easily score around 70 to 80 in paper one, okay, out of 100. If his general studies, GK, static GK is strong, okay, and the GK and GS was also Assam based, right? So if candidates who have prepared really well, they have done really well in the paper one, I can say, right? I'm not sure about the paper two, but they said that it was okay. They could attempt the questions, right? So in paper one, the safe score would be, the score you could have attempted was around 70, okay, 70 to 80. So if I talk about the overall cutoff, I'm not talking about the cutoff, I'm talking about the safe score, okay, because cutoff is decided in many parameters, right, taking many parameters. So the safe score of overall paper should be 140 to 150. That is just my prediction. You need not think that this is the actual score which sir have said and this should be the result, right? This is just my prediction based on the paper level and the feedbacks that I've got from all the students and the candidates who have appeared themselves, right? So that would be the safe score, 140 to 150, right? But we are not sure, right? APSC is the governing body, so they will take many criterias into play. Firstly, they will see how many candidates have appeared. Next, they will see how many vacancies they have, right, for which candidates are appearing, right, and what is the average score all the candidates are securing, right? What is the topper's score? And based on that, your cutoff is being developed. And if required, they do some normalization as well. Okay, doing normalization can bring two changes. First, it can increase your score. Second, it can decrease your score too. Okay, so that totally depends on the governing body who takes care of every parameter and then decide. So finally, I would say that the safe score for this exam would be 140 to 150. The cutoff might go more than that also, but it should come under that as per my prediction, right? So stay tuned. At 1 p.m. I'm bringing you a great session where I'll be solving all the maths and reasoning question. Okay, so all of these days you were practicing with me, right? We have covered not many but few topics, and I can guarantee you that whatever topics we have covered, right, and the questions which I'm giving is exactly matching the pattern of the exam, right? So it'll be really helpful for you. So kindly join in 1 p.m. session. Thank you. Stay motivated and keep studying. Okay, what did not happen last year can happen this year, right? So stay motivated, keep studying, and join in. Thank you.